How to make text talk like a character. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will simply go to Google Chrome browser. If you guys don't have, you guys can download it from Play Store. Once we click on here we will search for Love Voice AI. Now here you guys will simply click on that first website. Now wait for some seconds. Here you guys will simply paste your text. After that you guys can select the language of text and also character. Here you guys will see 8 characters. After that click on generate audio and now wait for some seconds. Here we go, our text was converted to voice that look like character voice. So let's play it.
How are you, man? I hope you're doing well.
That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.